Hey y'all, what's shaking? It's your girl, Soul Sister Shelley. I'm setting my timer, Shelley in 6. This is a Throwback Thursday, and honestly, y'all, if you saw my last live, I've been talking about how I've been uploading videos to YouTube that are my old Facebook lives, and I have to share this one with y'all. I've been making notes on choices. I've been talking about choices in my own head, not with you all. But I came across this video, and I swear, if it does not cheer you up or make you laugh or something about the joys in the journey and making choices in your life, and when you do what you do and you're not even really sure why you even do it, this is one of those moments, fam. One of those moments. And now I'm having to make a choice, like, am I going to put this on YouTube? I mean, you know, I'm always rocking a side pony, and I'm outside the box, and I'm a unicorn, and that's fine. But this one, it's definitely going to be... This is going to be a Shelley in 6 Facebook Live. This video is only 3 minutes and 42 seconds, but it might just be. It's cute. It is from November 6th of 2020. So to put it in perspective for you, fam, I'm going to blow up the screen and I'm going to let you all watch it, okay? And then maybe y'all can comment below, should I upload this to YouTube or not? Because life's all about choices. And I'm like, I don't even know if I should do that. So here we go. Y'all ready for it? I got some cute little bibbity boppity boo background music. It says, attitude of gratitude saves the day, is what I wrote. I went live earlier and posted a video similar to this, but it somehow disappeared. Am I being reprimanded by Facebook again? Let me enlarge the screen. Hold on. Let me do my Shelley in 6, because I'll let you all watch this 3 to 4 minute video. I'll wrap it up and I'll say goodbye. This is funny. I should do a poll on this one. I'm like, what was I thinking? Hope you get a good laugh out of it. But listen, put yourself out there. Be vulnerable. Rock a side pony. Clearly it was well received. I'm not really sure why, but I mean, you know. We're all in different places in our journey. Here we go on look, I got my 6 minute timer. Start. Let's watch this. Hey, Facebook, what is up? Happy Friday, y'all. What is shaking? Okay, so I'm going to go live later tonight, but it was just so beautiful out. I just had to hop on here and be like, what's up? Loving life. So that's what I wanted to hop on really quickly and talk to y'all about. Gratitude. Gratitude. Attitude of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. So, anyway, I hope y'all can hear me.
I love it.
But I just wanted to say, you know, it's scientifically proven that you cannot be unhappy and grateful at the same time. Okay? So people ask me all the time, and my buddy Kane over in Australia, what's up, Kane? Has a live on his feed saying the same thing. People ask me, why does he smile all the time? I smile all the time. Y'all smile. And I smile. Well, one, because I'm happy. And number two, because when you smile, it confuses people. But at any rate, I think it always comes down to perspective. Having an attitude of gratitude, even when things are bad, y'all. Even when things are bad. It completely, physiologically puts you in a better place. So, tonight when I go live, I really want to talk about the power of positive thought and perspective, putting things in perspective. Because truthfully, I've been grateful all day long, and the truth is, something has happened to me like 30 minutes ago, right before I was going to record this, and somebody did something that was really, really, really messed up to me. And I sat there, I was upset for a minute, and I thought, wow, I just made a post earlier about, not letting anybody steal your joy. And I want y'all to remember that, even when people hurt you, and even when people maybe don't do the next right thing, instead of being angry and resentful and bitter, maybe you just need to thank the universe. Because this is exactly what I did. I sat there and thought, you know what? Thank you, Lord, for showing me the kind of person I don't want to be. Thank you, Lord, for reminding me that I need to protect my energy. And thank you, Lord, for making me aware that there are people out there in the world that literally will do things intentionally just to hurt you or steal your thunder or steal your joy. Haters gonna hate, right? People want to take from you what they don't have. And the people that don't have joy and light and happiness and peace and love in their life, they try to steal it from you. But you can't take away my joy, baby. You can't take away my joy. So anyways, listen, y'all,
that girl.
An attitude of gratitude, no matter what. Try to think about what you do have, not what you don't have. And after you realize that you're grateful, just be grateful, be a good person, and then be grateful that you are a good person. Smooches!
Smooches! So there you have it, y'all. I'm like, should I upload that to YouTube? This stuff tickles me. November 6, 2020, like, wait, what? I love how I marched down the steps. Like, I was large and in charge, baby. Oh my gosh. All right, so I got 1 minute and 44 seconds to tell y'all what I wanted to tell y'all today. Life is about choices. And I wrote over here in my notes tonight that destiny is determined by decisions. It is. Destiny. Okay, I did a live on this a long time ago, and it's on my Facebook wall. I've come across it talking about destiny versus fate. Okay, so I can't get into that in a minute, but what I wrote, what is important is that I wrote, do not deviate, do not procrastinate. Small disciplines lead to great accomplishments, and discipline equals freedom. I think that's Jim Rohn, but discipline equals freedom. So, I'm writing all these words over here, and I'm thinking like, what? Choices. I'm thinking like, what am I putting on my YouTube channel? What am I going to take off Facebook? I'm turning this into the most beautiful, beautiful adventure ever, fam. And that was just a little snippet of what I wanted to share with y'all, because I had a choice that day to walk out in my little belly shirt off my deck and put on my little bibbity bobbity boo music and talk about an attitude of gratitude. And that is in 2020, November of 2020. And, that kind of stuff actually does lift my spirit, because I'm like, dang, Shelley, consistency is key. Consistency is key. And, as I mentioned in my last live, even though that's not me, my 6 minutes is up, fam. Even though that's not like quote unquote me anymore, in the terms of like, I'd probably never just walk out on my deck and walk down and bibbity bobbity boo. I even can tell how uncomfortable I am. Like, a little bit tripping over my words. I got my sunglasses on. Like, my future's so bright, I gotta wear shades. I mean, I do believe that, but I don't know. I'm like, I don't know that I'd do that again. I don't know that I'd do that again. But the message was real, and the message was authentic, and the message was me at the time, and the message was a positive message. So why wouldn't I upload it to YouTube so that somebody, you know, could maybe resonate with it? But I'll tell you what, it gave me a good laugh. And any of you that have followed me for a hot minute, you watch that. Hey, Connie. And Connie Jerome. Yeah, so if you've watched me for a while, if you've followed me for a while, that should get you, like, I want to tag some people in here. Like Craig Meredith, I'm tagging you, and that's cute. Anyhow, but life's about choices, and destiny is determined by your decisions. So you know what? We must make a choice. I wrote up top. We must make a choice. We must make a choice to take a chance, or our life will never change. See that up top? Right here. Bam. Soul Sister Shelley says, we must make a choice to take a chance, or we will never change. And clearly, I was taking a chance, and I'm taking a chance now. If you haven't checked out my YouTube channel, come join the tribe over there. It's at I Am a Rising Phoenix. I love analytics and I love numbers. So I'm like studying these analytics just because I'm like, this is crazy. It's so crazy how you can change a thumbnail on a video. And I'm clearly tired, y'all. You can change a thumbnail on a video and, you know, then you get 700 views. Which way you turn the camera changes it. Your keywords, it's kind of fun. I'm turning it into like a new adventure. Like, oh, okay, this is fun. Let's play it like a video game. Let's see how much I can level up. I'm going to upload all these videos and then do some new content. And so go check it out. It's, the handle is at I Am a Rising Phoenix, cause you are my little comeback kings and queens. Aren't we though? So, hey, yeah, if you see this video and you want to comment below, should I put this that on YouTube? My immediate inclination was like, don't put that on YouTube. That's crazy. What are you doing? What are you doing? I mean, here. For those of you that are watching it from this part, oh, it's 3 minutes. Look, I don't know why. Look, I'm taking off down the deck. Hey, Facebook, what is up? Happy Friday, y'all. What is shaking? Okay, so later tonight, but it's just so beautiful out. It's just so beautiful out. Loving life. So that's what I wanted to hop on really quickly. All right. About. Yeah. Gratitude. Gratitude. Attitude of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. Have an attitude of gratitude. Ain't nothing changed about that. I believe that to the nth degree. All right. I love y'all. I just want to tell you life's about choices. And listen, I've made a ton along the way. I made good ones. I made bad ones. I always say do the next right thing, but you never know until retrospect whether or not you're making the right choice. But you must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. You must make a choice to take a chance or your life will never change. Making like decisions. Last thing I'll say. No decision is a decision. To not make a decision is a decision. I've learned that. No decision is making a decision. You're choosing not to decide. It's sitting in some stagnant energy, like, am I in or am I out? Am I going to do it or am I not? Am I staying with this person? Am I not staying with this person? Am I going to move or am I not? Do I want to try to get a new job or I want to stay at this company I'm miserable at? Do I want to start eating better or don't? Like, and then you just sit there in that limbo and like not making a decision is a decision. So make a choice to take a chance. That's how you'll change. That is
my wisdom for you all with my side pony tonight on this Throwback Thursday. I hope that made you laugh. Check out the YouTube channel at I Am a Rising Phoenix. Hey, my birthday is tomorrow, fam. So, yay, I made it another year. Yay, me. If you want to celebrate me like this, share it. Sharing is caring. Show me some love. Send me some stars. Send it to somebody that it might help. My PayPal, Venmo, Cash App are all at Soul Sister Shelley with an EY. I appreciate y'all, but really all, you know what would be the best birthday gift ever is that you all live an abundant life. An abundant life, full peace, love, and joy. That's why I started doing this, and that's why I'll continue to. But if you want to send me some love, now you know how. Closed mouths don't get fed, so now y'all know how to help me help you. So I'm going to send you all good vibes, lots and lots and lots of good vibes. Peace, love, and joy. Mwah, 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 mwah. Smooches. Peace.